everyone, my name is Dr. Crawford. I'm one of the doctors here at Tuscaloosa Oaks. I'm really excited to start off our TOAH Talk Tuesdays. Basically, these videos every Tuesday are going to be to help our clients answer some of their basic veterinary questions. So we'll cover some basic veterinary care, illnesses, breeds, nutrition, things of that nature. Today I'm going to start us out by talking about some toxic plants to our cats and dogs. Some of the most concerning plants that I want to cover first are Foxglove, Sago palms, Oleander, and Yews. The first sign of ingestion of any of these plants is going to include vomiting, diarrhea, maybe some lethargy or weakness. Additionally, each plant can cause other systemic issues. Foxglove ingestion can cause significant damage to your pet's heart, causing arrhythmias and possibly cardiac failure. Sago palms can cause damage to the blood cells and to the liver, leading to bleeding disorders or liver failure. Oleander can cause severe abdominal pain and cramping and damage to the gastrointestinal system. Japanese yews and other types of yews can cause neurologic damage, leading to muscle tremoring, difficulty breathing, and seizures. All of these plants can be found here in Florida, and while it is rare that we actually see pets who have ingested them, all of these toxicities can lead to death if left untreated. Another more common houseplant that's toxic to our cats and dogs is devil's ivy. I know my mom had devil's ivy at our house growing up. Devil's ivy is not very likely to cause death in an animal, but pets that chew on the leaves may have pain in their mouths that can be noticed by lots of excessive drooling, swelling of the tongue or lips, and difficulty swallowing. For those of you that like to pretty up your landscaping with a bunch of flowers, it's important to know that some of the common options can actually be dangerous to your pets when you're out planting them. Tulips, daffodils, daisies, carnations, irises, they can all cause clinical signs of GI upset like vomiting and diarrhea and drooling. However, most commonly only seen if the animal ingests the bulb of the flower, not the actual flower part themselves. So just keep your pets away when you're doing your gardening, but by springtime when the flowers come out, your animals should be okay. Of course, there are other plants that are found seasonally based around the holidays. At Christmas time, I know there's always poinsettias or winterberry, holly filling your homes. The sap of poinsettias can be irritating to your dog or cat's mouth and stomach and may cause vomiting, but generally this toxicity is a bit overrated. Holly leaves and berries are low in toxicity, but can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and depression in animals who ingest large amounts. Lilies are a very common plant around Easter time, but Easter lilies are one of the most toxic plants to cats. Ingestion can cause vomiting, lethargy, and eventual kidney failure and death. It is vital to keep lilies away from your cats or bring them straight to your veterinarian if you think your kitty has been exposed. This is just a short list of the common plants that we are concerned about, but there are of course other plants that could be toxic to your cats and dogs. I highly recommend looking at the ASPCA's Animal Poison Control website for further information, where they have a list of both toxic and non-toxic plants for dogs and cats. If you believe that your animal has ingested a toxic plant of some kind, please contact us or another local veterinarian, or of course you can call the ASPCA's Animal Poison Control Center's 24-hour hotline. Thank you for listening to our talk, and we look forward to seeing you for another round of TOAH Talk Tuesday next week.